Hey guys, so this is supposed to be a wood enclosure keyboard. I've been working on on this design specifically on a couple few days, but I've played around with wood before, and one of the reasons why I haven't produced one yet is because I had a couple few samples that I put through a CNC machine, and they all kind of went a little bit. They came out a little bit wacky. They bent a little bit in weird directions, and they wouldn't quite snap well together, both the top and the bottom. And I really didn't want to make a tray mount board, so my this is going to be my next attempt at doing it. Right now there are a lot of finishing touches like roundings and fillets that aren't applied here, so keep that in mind. But the basic idea here is that the in order to prevent the wood, both the top and the bottom, from bending and depending on moisture and etc., we're gonna have this somewhat thick aluminum frame on the inside, and the main reason for it is so that it can hold everything together despite either the bottom or the top trying to bow or change shapes in specific directions depending on the weather and so on. So this guy, it gets hidden on the inside of the enclosure, and all the screws, all the threads are actually on this aluminum frame, so the bottom gets attached to it via screws, but it's basically just normal holes in here. And then the actual screws and threads will get attached to the frame. Same goes for the top. Right now, I'm debating on whether I should have the screws come from the top into the frame, or I should just abandon that for the top and then just like glue the frame into the wood top. Probably using an epoxy or something along those lines. But then I have to play around a little bit more with the tolerances so that everything snaps well together while having that layer of epoxy in between the top and the frame, the middle. And as far as mounting goes, for the plate, this is a sandwich mount plate, so it's not screwed anywhere. It's just sandwiched between the frame and the top of the piece of the enclosure. So yeah, that's it. There's gonna be a prototype for it, either next month or the month or the one after that. I still have to talk to my manufacturer to figure out availability and what types of wood they have access to, and figure out exactly which wood would be the best or the most suited for this. But yeah, I'm kind of excited about this one. So if you want to know more, just come over to the Discord channel and we can talk it over. Thank you.